Hello? Bro, I think I'm in the wrong game. That was TF2 my Roblox. What the hell, bro? I just totally let me see. Does it still work? I mean, I used to play Roblox. So it's we I broke my leg. Wait, I remember there's like no animation for Scout drinking the bonk. Let me see. Yes, it's just heavy eating, but on Scout's animation. Why am I blue? Answer me. Okay. The sun is bright and the trees looks not perfect. It's supposed to be perfectly circle, not that perfect.